Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the static reset process on your HP EliteBook 645, you will need a few essential tools, a small Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help ensure that you perform the reset safely and effectively. First, make sure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. This ensures your safety and prevents any electrical shocks during the procedure. Now, locate the battery release latch on the bottom of your laptop. This is typically found near the back edge. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws securing the battery cover. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off and set it aside. Next, you'll see the battery itself. Disconnect it by removing the connector from the motherboard. Make sure to handle it carefully. If you are unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any commitment. With the battery disconnected, press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. This step discharges any residual power in the system, effectively performing the static reset. After holding the button, release it and reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Ensure that it clicks into place securely. Now, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any loose parts during operation. Once the battery cover is back in place, you can plug your laptop back into the power source. Do not forget to check that everything is correctly connected before powering up the device again. If you don't have the tools at home or prefer not to handle this process yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience. After reconnecting the power, turn on your HP EliteBook 645. Observe how it performs post-reset. If issues persist, you might need further support. With our service, you can get a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions without any surprise costs. Before concluding, it's essential to perform a quick internal cleaning. Dust can accumulate inside your laptop, affecting performance. Using a can of compressed air, gently blow out any dust from the vents and internal components. This will improve airflow and help maintain optimal performance. In summary, performing a static reset on your HP EliteBook 645 is a straightforward process that can resolve many common issues. Always remember to handle components carefully and consult a professional if you're unsure. With our service, there are no calls and no travel necessary, making it easier for you to keep your device in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.